Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today we will show you some functionality with the rotors and how to do your rotors more efficiently. In this video we will show you how to assign your staff members to multiple appointments in any given week. So let's show you an example. We go to appointments, service user scheduling, and let's select the week of the 10th. Select our service user. As you can see, she has multiple appointments. Now, to assign a staff member manually to each appointment would be a very time-consuming exercise. So what we're going to do is assign the same staff member to each of the morning appointments from Monday to Friday, each of the lunch appointments on the same day, and also the tea appointments on the same day. So how we would do this, instead of clicking on things manually, we would select the first appointment on the Monday. We would select our staff member. So for this test we will use Jim Black, and we will also select the other appointments we want to assign to this staff member. So the lunch and the tea visit. We want them only to go to the weekday visit, so we click Monday to Friday, and we click this button for weekdays rather than manually selecting it, and we click submit. This then has assigned your staff member to all of those appointments in a few simple clicks, making everything so efficient and easier to assign. Hopefully this will help you with your rotors and make your life a little bit more easier, and we look forward to sharing more tutorials in future videos. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.